So check this out. This is a really cool way of saving yourself loads of money and feeding you and your family at the same time in 2020. Let's get this year off to a good start.
This fabulous dish is made from chicken leftovers out of your fridge.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what you're going to do when you've got a lovely piece of chicken like this is left over from our Sunday lunch. There were only two of us for dinner, just me and my wife. We've eaten the chicken legs and we've got all this breast and all this good meat here. Well, I'm not going to throw it away, I tell you that. That's going to make another fantastic, fabulous, tasty meal. Because if there's one thing I don't like in this house, it's waste, especially now I'm on a pension anyway. So anyway, we'll carry on this and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing tonight. It's going to be very flavoursome, so stay with me and I hope you'll enjoy this video. As for our other ingredients, we're going to need some pepper, of course, and some salt for our seasoning. I've got a piece of yellow pepper that I've got left over. We're going to need 1 or 2 cloves of this lovely garlic here. I've got some red pepper, a whole white onion, and over here I've got some chickpeas, got a tin of chickpeas, a tin of chopped tomatoes, some turmeric to give it some lovely flavouring, and to give it even more flavouring, here I've got some cumin powder.
So I'm going to start off by prepping our ingredients that we need. I'm going to top and tail this onion, take off these papery bits off the outside because we don't need those. I'll top and tail this one because what I'm going to do is slice it rather than chop it. Slice it like this, nice and quickly, nice and thinly, and job done. Now to our garlic cloves, a little bit on the tiny side, but that'll do. Top and tail it like I did the onions, take the skin off, and I'm going to chop these nice and small, just like that. That'll do. And the peppers, I'm going to cut those into about 1-inch pieces. Then I'm going to cut the chicken. This is a nice tender piece of chicken breast. Cut that about the same, about into 1-inch pieces. About like that, that's fine. Then into a pan on a hob, I'll go with a reasonable amount of cooking oil or olive oil. Chuck in the sliced onion. Love that sizzle, don't you? I can smell this straight away. Very tasty. Then in with the garlic. Pop that in that goes. Give that a little helping hand with the mix. Then in with the cumin. And in with the turmeric. That's really healthy for you, that stuff. Chuck that in, a teaspoon of each, that's fine. Then we just need to give this a couple of minutes so your onions can get a bit translucent and those spices can get going. Then we can pop in our peppers, in they go. I would have liked a green one in there, but you know, I didn't have one in the fridge, so I'm just using up bits and pieces because this is a really cheap meal. Now this is an afterthought. Bit of chilli sauce, little bit of sriracha, not too much. I didn't have these on the ingredients to begin with because I only just thought about it, and I thought a nice little kick in there would be really handy. So that's in. Now the tomatoes, in they go. Stir that in again. It's starting to look really nice, really colourful. And this is another afterthought. A bit of tomato paste. Chuck that in. Bit of seasoning. Sea salt. Freshly cracked black pepper. Pop that in. Pop in the pepper. Then we can go in with our chickpeas. In they go. They've been drained and washed. Give those a stir. Cook this for a bit longer. And then we can add our chicken pieces. In they go. Nice and gently. You don't want these breaking up. Otherwise you sort of end up with chicken soup. And then gently does it. Turn those over and get those into the mixture so they can get that flavour all over them. Cook this down for a little while and then it will start to look like this. Doesn't that look fabulous? Plate this up as we do. Looking good. There we go. Just a few shots there. Do you know what? I think I'm going to need a taste test soon.
Okay, so let's give it a try.
I'll do it now. Can't take it anymore.
Well, if I do say myself, that is amazing. Considering it was free, or nearly free anyway, better buy the tomatoes and chickpeas, but the chicken was just laying in the fridge, same as the peppers. You know, we don't want waste, do we? and it was really tasty. So yeah, please try this for yourself when you've got leftover. You can even use it with beef or pork, you know. I mean, to be honestly truthful, makes a really nice meal. So thanks so much again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And yeah, it'd be great to see you again next time. And bye for now.